The structures designed to stop, restrict, or control the flow of water are called dams. They're constructed in rivers in order to divert water for other uses. Large rivers are usually dammed by teams of engineers who carefully calculate the size and shape of the structures to ensure that they're able to resist the pressure of water. Natural materials can be used to dam up a small river. So, we are going to watch about the how to dam a river.
Method 1. Laying the foundation.
First is designate a shallow, manageable section of the river as the site for your dam. Narrow sections will take less time to create a barrier across. They're also where the water typically flows the fastest. Wide sections tend to be more calm, but blocking them off may require quite a bit more material and labor. Step 2. Dig one or more trenches upstream of the dam site to divert the river. Pick a point 10 to 20 yards, 3 meters above the section of river you've selected for your dam. Use a shovel, drainage spade, or trenching hoe to remove the dirt or sand along the riverbank in long, straight. Finally, lay rocks across the riverbed to serve as the foundation for your dam. Flat rocks with squared edges will work best, as they offer a tighter fit and leave fewer openings than rocks with rounded edges. Put the biggest, heaviest rocks down first, then stack increasingly smaller rocks on top.
Method 2. Assembling the main structure.
First is pile on sticks until your dam reaches the desired height. Build up the main structure of your dam on both sides of your foundation. As you did when setting the rocks, place the heaviest items on the bottom to provide a sturdier base. Then layer smaller pieces on top. Step 2. Reinforce the downstream side of your dam with logs or tree limbs. You can also use pressure-treated lumber or pieces of scrap wood for this purpose. If possible, anchor the ends of your supports deep in the mud of the riverbed. This will prevent your other materials from shifting or collapsing. Finally, use twigs, leaves, or mud to seal the gaps in your dam. This is often the most time-consuming part of building a dam. Stuff handfuls of brush into any openings where flowing water might find its way through. Try to compact your filler material as much as possible.
Method 3. Completing your dam.
First is cover the dam with mud to secure your materials. Clay-type muds make the best covering, if they're available. Shovel the mud onto the dam starting from the bottom and working your way towards the top. Step 2. Concrete your dam to make it a permanent addition to the river. If you want your dam to block or divert water for more than a short time, you'll need longer-lasting materials than rocks and stick. Mix a bag of quick-setting concrete mix with water in a large bucket or wheelbarrow and pour wet concrete into the cracks. Finally, fill the diversion trenches to redirect the water back into the river. Pile earth, stones, and other materials over the mouth of each trench to close it off. If you dug multiple trenches, wait a few minutes for the water level to stabilize behind the dam before moving on to the next.
We hope it is useful to you. Please subscribe to our channel to upskill yourself.